Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you what are the best sugar baby sites right now on the market for you to check out. Now first I want to share with you one tip regards the profile and building, that if you want to be like a woman that a man takes care of in a way, the most important thing is to learn how to build your own inner value. In a way, how you can like heal what is inside, taking care of yourself, and be this kind of like this, how would I call it, like a queen energy. And like there is like a queen archetype, so read about that and how you can be the queen archetype and how the type of queen like behaves, like standing tall, straight, with shoulders in the back, like moving like a tiger, right? Is that like this kind of like, I don't even know how to call it, this energy, but this is something that I highly encourage you to kind of like dive deeper into. So the first one is seeking. Seeking is one of the most popular ones on the market right now. It's largest user base also in Europe. Many years ago is rebranded also as Elite Dating. So this is the first one for you to check out. Now another one that is also popular one is Sugar Daddy Meet. So often cited as the best alternative to Seeking, and it's more refined user base and better customer support for removing fake profiles. So you want to also check this one out. Maybe you kind of like, you will like it, and maybe you would like enjoy it. Now another one is called like Secret Benefits, frequently recommended for its transparent connections. Also maybe there are like going to be like automated messages, so this is like another one for you to check out. Then also the What's Your Price, this is another one. It focuses on bidding for a first day, is highly rated by some getting into real life meetings quickly. So you're gonna have like a bidding here, and you're gonna have like plenty of members. So this is something that you can actually check out for yourself. And What's Your Price is interesting. And then the last one that I prepared for you is called like Sugarbook. So Sugarbook, this is primarily in Asia, in Europe. It's a high ratio of sugar daddies or to sugar babies. So this is another one for you to check out, maybe for you to check out, and maybe you will like it. So primarily in Asia, if you're going to be in that location, and this is something you can check out. Also, I want to share with you also the alternatives. So the alternatives are vanilla apps like Hinge, Tinder, Bumble, and when you're going to look for the mention taking care of someone, generosity, or things like that. And what you can do also different thing is like freestyling, going to high-end locations like luxury hotel bars, expensive gyms, or upscale lounges. So this is something that you can also do, is you want to actually go to luxury hotel bars, and that's another thing. And you can also use Reddit too. While it's controversial, you can go like Sugar Dating Forum, and there is like a lot of scam rate too, but this is something that you can do. And don't like strongly use like Google Voice app or similar services. Don't use your own number, use a burner number, okay? And completely let go of this kind of like online only sugar daddies, okay? So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video helped you, and have a great day.